Welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie. Today I got Toyota AYGO 2011 model. Basically came with the Misfire, and recovery person bring it to here, and he said to the customer this car need a coil pack and spark plugs. And same time this customer called to the another friend, and he mentioned this car need a coil pack and spark plugs. However, while he here, another car turned up, and he said, Charlie, I changed my coil pack and spark plugs, but still misfire there. Then after that, this customer bit stuck. Then after that, customer need to do my assessment. Then today I'm going to do my assessment, and I'm going to show you how am I identify exactly what's the problem.